Good morning to everyone, my dear students. Today we learn about computer networks and data communications. Data communications and networking may be the fastest growing technologies in our culture today. One of the result of that growth in dramatic increase in number of professionals where an understanding of these technologies is essential for success. Mm. Today discuss about some more important topic in networks. A network is a set of devices connected by communication link. Set of devices, example router, switch, laptop, personal computers are called devices. Communication link. Communication means communicate. Two n devices. One device to another device. Using some medium, wire or wireless. Wire means using cable wire. Connect one computer to another computer. Data transmission. Another one wireless medium. Here example Wi-Fi. There are examples of several devices: server, modem, laptops, etc. Okay, next we're going to discuss data communication. Data means sharing information and a message or picture or text, audio and video. Data communications is the process of using computing and communication technologies to transfer data one place to another and vice versa. It is a process of exchanging data or information between two devices. When we communicate, we are sharing information. This sharing can be local or remote. For data communication to happen, the communicating device must be part of communication system made up of combination of hardware and software. Example telecommunication. Another example, data communication is a computer connected to the internet via a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, data communication model diagram. Sender is a device, receiver is a device, transmission medium, wire or wireless, protocol, set of rules. Data sender send the data or message using some medium to receiver. It is a basic model of data communication model. Application of communication and a computer network. Today, best example of resource sharing, such as printer and storage device, exchange of information, mails and file transfer protocol, information sharing through internet, interaction with other user using dynamic web pages, video conference, iPhones, parallel computing. Okay. Next topic, characteristics of data communication. The effectiveness of data communication system depends on four fundamental characteristics: delivery, accuracy, type, timeliness, jitter. Delivery means delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. Data must be received by the intended device or user and only by that device. Accuracy. The system must deliver data accurately. Data that have been altered in transmission and left uncorrected or unusable. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in timely manner. Data deliver are useless. In the case of video and audio, timely delivery means delivering data as they are produced in the same order they are produced and without significant delay. There are examples. This kind of delivery is called real-time transmission. Last one, jitter. Jitter refers to the variation in the packet arrival time. It is then uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. Example, let us assume that video packets are sent every 3D millisecond. If some of the packets arrive with 3D millisecond delay and other with 4D millisecond delay, and uneven quality in the video is the result. Okay, next, components of data communication. A data communication system is made up five components: sender, receiver, message, transmission medium, set of rules. Message. The message is the information to be communicated. It can consist of text, number, pictures, audio, and video, or any combination of these. Next one, sender. Sender. The sender is the device, for example, computer or laptop, that sends the data message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, etc. Receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. It can be computer, laptop, or workstation. Medium. Transmission medium is a physical path by which a message travel from sender to receiver. Last one, protocol. Set of rules. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication. It represents an agreement between communicating two devices. Without protocol, two devices be connected but not communicating. Example, it is very basic concept: sender, receiver, medium of data communication network. Data transmission mode. Transmission mode is computer network. Transmission mode refers to the mechanism of transferring data between two devices connected over a network. This is also called communication mode. There are three types: simplex mode, half duplex mode, full duplex mode. Simplex mode. The data communication is unidirectional. A simplex communication system can transmit data in one direction only. That means device, for example, device A, computer A, computer B. Computer A send a message, computer B receive the message. That means transmission only one direction. For example, keyboard and printer and monitor. Keyboard can only accept the data from the user. Example, monitor can only used to display the data on the screen. Second one, off duplex. A off duplex communication system can transmit data in both direction, but it only one direction at a time. Hence, it can alternately send and receive data. This requires two wires. It can most suitable for voice communicating using telephones in which open person can speak at a time. Example, message flow in both the direction but not the same time. Walkie talkies is an example. Walkie talkie, one party speaks and another party listen. After assuming the other speaks, the first party listening speaking simultaneously will create the distorted sound which cannot be understood. Next one, full duplex. In full duplex mode, the communication be directional. The data flow in both the directions. Both the stations can send and receive the messages simultaneously. This mode require f- four bytes that allows data flow the both directions simultaneously. For example, telecommunication, when two peoples are communicating with each other by a telephone line, both can talk and listen at the same time. Okay, thank you.